Okay, a lot of you know that the Hard Rock Cafe is on my bucket list for the hotels to stay on, and I'm so excited because I'm booked at, and the specific one I've always wanted to stay at is the one in San Diego, and it's so cool. I have to start with the elevator. This is the elevator, you guys. It is so awesome. And there's just music playing everywhere. It's a total rock and roll place. I absolutely love this hotel, and wait until you see my hotel room because it's really, really cool. And then, oh gosh, I love these guys. Beautiful. Awesome stuff. Okay, we're gonna take you to the room. I'm so excited to be at this hotel. And I'm here for 2 nights, yay! We're gonna go faster, faster, faster. We're gonna move in here, and here is the room. Oh my gosh. You walk in, and this is how you walk into it. Look, there's a huge bar. And they even have tequila. No wonder we gave them our credit card. And huge mini bar, lots of stuff. Even stuff in here. It's crazy. Not that I would ever drink all this, but I guess some people that come here do. Anyway, super cool. Awesome, awesome. Hi. There's the TV, and look, it even says, "Welcome, Jamie, honey. We hope you enjoy your stay." The music was playing when we walked in the room. And then I love this groovy on the wall. It's so cool. And the couch, there's a full couch. Oh, there's Jamie. And look at this, check this out. So this is the main room, and then here is the king bed and bedroom. So you got 2 spaces and a nice little curtain, a little big huge closet, nice big king bed. And I really like, of course, we got to check that view. Looks like we can even open this. It's got a little, oh, you can open that.
For adults only.
For adults only. And here's the view, San Diego, whole blue sky, beautiful. Oh, check it out, you do open it. Look at that.
Yeah, this one opens.
Oh, so you could step out on your veranda, like tiny little, ooh, that suite over there has a
Ooh, their balcony's bigger than ours.
It is, certainly
They're
is.
trying to prove something, obviously.
We got some little guy, but man, this is super cool view.
Normal size.
Oh, it's so pretty here.
And look at this.
Look at this view. I'm still enjoying the view. Okay, I'm gonna come look at this view. Okay.
Shoot right here.
All right. What am I shooting?
Have a look at that.
Oh. Oh, I can see you shower. That's the shower. Oh. Can you do that one more time? That was groovy. So when I'm in the living room watching TV, Jamie could be showering literally right next to me. Because that's the shower. It is pretty groovy though. Check this shower out. It's like right in the middle, like it's full like shower room. Oh, that's so cool. And then you got the sink here in the middle, and then you got the bathroom over here. It's really groovy colors. What is this little thing?
Bidet.
No, it's not a bidet.
It is. Be
It's
careful
not.
with that.
It's not a bidet.
It's a bidet.
Pretty cool, huh? What do you think, Jamie?
It's nice.
Now you see why this is one of my bucket list hotels.
We've even got a chair
Oh,
here.
this groovy chair.
In case you forget what your spinal system looks like. You just lay back in here and go, oh, that's right, the lower spine, lumbar, you're working up the thorax.
You do not have a thorax. Only ants have thorax.
I have a thorax.
You do not have a thorax.
I'm part of an alien species.
This is so cool. I love the etching on the mirror there. It's just so groovy.